So if you watch this channel, you will know that I am a massive fan of the Caudabe Sheath. It's one of my top cases for the iPhone, but Caudabe have sent me something pretty sweet, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So Caudabe have sent me the sheath for the Samsung S23 Ultra. Really over the moon for this because I'm going to be honest, I don't feel that you get enough good quality premium cases for Androids, for Samsungs and for the likes of the Google Pixel. You know, so they're like, yeah, you'll get the likes of Pitaka and some of those other really good premium brands, but you don't really see an awful lot of stuff. I didn't get the sheath for the S22 Ultra last year, but I do have the sheath here for the S23 Ultra, so let's check these out. As you can see, Caudabe have sent me the black and the Amethyst, which is two of the best colors because they are Batman and Joker. And Joker's in there too. Not sure if you can see him, but he's there. And there we are. Now these are absolutely stunning. I just cannot say enough good things about the sheath. It is definitely one of my all-time favorite cases. So one thing I have noticed that is different, just as I feel this on the inside, look at this. Look, it's like a suede. It's like a suede lining. The purple one's nice too. Now that's something I want to see come to the iPhone version of the sheath, hopefully in September. Because I love this suede, that suede lining. It'll just, you know, it's not that I don't like the sheath, but on the inside of the current version of the iPhone, it's just plastic. You know, so changing that up, I mean, look at that. It's night and day. That microfiber suede type finish, that is going to protect your phone no end, and that's awesome. So it's relatively rigid. There is a bit of flex to it, but you know, you couldn't fold it in half, which is pretty good. And we have that textured grip all the way around, all the way down the sides, on the top and on the bottom. Fantastic. Camera bump, then we've got those cutouts for the camera lenses, and then we've got a nice little signature sheath line at the top where the cameras are, which is pretty consistent if you look at the iPhone version. So yeah, I love it. I really do. So let's just weigh these sheaths for the S23 Ultra. 40 grams. 39 grams. Purple is a gram lighter. How about that? So let's get this into the S23 Ultra. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I mean that grippy texture is just fantastic. It's good shock absorption as well. This is made with Caudabe Shock Light material, so if you do drop it, it is going to help stop that phone from getting damaged, you know, with its shock absorption Shock Light material. So yeah, it is really nice. Buttons are really good, clicky as they are in the iPhone version. Can't fault that at all. And let's just compare the two. There we are. There's the iPhone and the Samsung version. I mean, if you're going to dual carry phones like I do, like I dual carry phones quite a lot of the time. Like this works with my OCD no end. Like, see, having two phones in the same case and getting the same level of protection, the same quality, top, absolute top. And then in the bottom then you can see we've got our cutouts here for our charger, our S Pen and our speaker hole. And there's no issues there getting the S Pen out, which is fantastic. Then screen lip. So if you look at here, you've got quite a raised lip at the bottom and the top of the display, so it is quite raised up, and because this is curved, these side bumpers do come up flush with the display, which is good to see. So if you put that down flat, it's not going to get scuffed, it's not going to touch that display. Same goes for the camera bump then as well. You see the camera lenses don't protrude out through those cutouts, which is fantastic. again, they ain't gonna touch, which is fantastic. Love it. So yeah, and this will just give you a bit of comparison as to maybe how this is going to wear. I have had the sheath for the 14 Pro Max since launch, and I have used it pretty consistently, and that's the sort of wear that's on my sheath after, you know, since September. It'll give you a good indication as to how hard wearing these cases are. So there we go. And just for completeness then, there's the Amethyst. There's the iPhone version, and there is the S23 Ultra version as well. So yeah, what do you guys think? Pretty good match. And again, if you are like me and if you do dual carry phones, I just love having phones that match. It's perfect. I love it. And this is no exception. Absolutely fantastic. The only thing I will say that I would like to see on this is MagSafe. Now, I know Samsung phones don't have MagSafe wireless charging. That will come in the latest standard of Qi wireless charging, where we'll get that MagSafe ring. So I would like to see moving forward all cases adopt the MagSafe ring as standard, because for me, again, dual wielding phones, it's nice to use all the same accessories, the same mounts, the same chargers, all that sort of stuff. I would just love to be able to, you know, the same mount that I would use for my iPhone, I would just love to be using that on this. And unfortunately, this is not part of this, but maybe next time. So what do you guys think? Which is your favorite version of the sheath? Currently there is the black and the purple. Caudabe do have a mountain green version coming, which I will say is a fantastic color. It's a really good color match to the green version of the S23 Ultra. So if you do like that sort of dark tealy kind of green, yeah, these are just new out, and if you want to pick these up, I will leave you links in the description down below. Affiliate links don't cost you guys any more money, but they do help support the channel. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support, and pick yourself up one of the best cases that you'll pick up for the S23 Ultra. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go, so keep locked to the channel. More down to earth tech reviews and accessories coming, so if that's your bag, stay tuned, and until the next one, I'll catch you later.